We're out here with Bonney today. We're doing a remove, seal, and blowback with also an addition of radiant barrier.
Insulation is one of the things that pays for itself in the long run. The amount of money that you save for your energy bills will pay for the insulation costs that you're going to initially invest into your own home. By doing this, you're also increasing the value of your home.
What we do is we take out all of that attic insulation, sanitize all of the attic floor, we're gonna seal all the attic permeations, and then we're going to do a radiant barrier on the roof and then finish that off with an R44 top off.
I think the biggest surprise that customers have is the comfortability of their own home. I don't think they realize how much they've been suffering for so long. I've talked to customers that have been in the house for over 30 years and never had a clue on how bad their insulation was. And the second that we do that, it's a night and day difference.
It's an instant return on investment. With gas and electric, all of the inflationary costs going up, this is one of the best items to do because the most efficient system is one that doesn't run. So this is a really cool project because all the insulation keeps it so that the house will maintain its temperature.